So today is day 1 and we have demoed the fireplace that used to be here. Let's see if you guys can see that. Can you see that? So that is all gone. We took that all out and we have drywall there now. And then we took all of the baseboards out. I don't know, they've probably been here close to 100 years, so. So this is the before of what the fireplace looked like. This is during the demo. The fireplace was basically just made out of wood, plaster, and this wire. So it was pretty easy to demo. And then lastly, we cleaned it all up and took as much plaster as we could, cleaned up the sides so we would be able to drywall it. So day 1, 30 probably to go, but stay tuned. All right, y'all, so today is day 2 of the home improvements. This is my handyman art guy.
Carpenter.
My carpenter. So today we are going to be patching up the fireplace.
/ project manager.
Oh, right here, we're gonna put some drywall mud, patch that up. I also have a plumber here and an electrician here. They're gonna be fixing some pipes and then also rewiring the whole property so I can have updated outlets and fixtures. So that is the plan. I will show you what the house looks like right now so you can kind of get a visual of what we're working with. So as you can see, we pulled up all of the baseboards in the bedrooms. It is pretty disgusting how dirty it is. These baseboards have probably been here since the house was built. So you can see all through each bedroom, through the hallway. Just disgusting, kind of. But yeah, it's just really old, needed to be upgraded. And then in the dining room area, you can see that they put vinyl, which is not even a baseboard. We started to put the drywall mud in here, but I wanted to show you some other repairs that we had to do. So as we started looking at the other walls to prep for painting, we noticed that they're just like small imperfections, right? So as you can see, like down here, right by the window sill, there's some termite damage and some water damage. So we are going to drywall this. Okay, so today is day 3. I wanted to give you guys an update on what we've done today. We have done a top coat on the drywall, so I'll go ahead and I'll show you that. We didn't get that much done. Other than that, we had a lot of plumbing issues that we had to take care of today, so that was the majority of the work that we did today. But I will show you really quick the top coat on the drywall mud and then give you a little visual, but we are going to be signing off for the day. It's been a long week. So as you guys can see, like right here, like that yellow, that's the top coat that we did. So this house was built in like the 1930s, 1940s, and they had this old shoe rack here. So we pulled this out and we were gonna put a piece of drywall right there. Close that up. So a lot of these doors didn't have any door stoppers, so it created a lot of holes in the walls. So we're getting those patched up as well. So here's like an old shoe rack that they used to have here. So we're gonna pull those out, just like you saw in the last bedroom. So today is day 5, the end of the first week. The plan for today is to finish all of the drywall in the bathroom. I'm turning that into, so the shower that they previously had was a makeshift like linen closet. So I am actually trying to get my carpenter to drywall the shower and then make it into an actual linen closet with shelves. I also have gardeners here. The property looks like it hasn't been maintained in probably 10 to 15 years. So there are palm trees and bushes and trees just growing out of control. So I have a gardener here. He's gonna have to do it in sections because it's just way too much to do in one day. So the first section is just like the most ugly eyesores around the property right now. And then we'll go through and try and take out a lot of the trees as well. But I will show you the before and the after, and then also show you the shower that is being turned into a linen closet. So keep on watching. So you can see here, this used to be a shower. It actually was being used as a linen closet when I bought the home. So it still had all of these pipes and knobs sticking out with actual shelves in them. And what we did was we took the little soap dish and cut the pipes, and we are going to drywall this and make it into an actual linen closet. So this was like just like a little cubby hole that they had a doorbell in. And then I will also show you the closets where it had the old shoe hangers or organizers in the closet. So we filled those with drywall as well. So I will give you a quick peek of those. You will see that we've drywalled these shoe closets. They were the little aluminum ones. So that's the first bedroom. This is the second bedroom. And you can see This one's been patched up as well. And the third bedroom has been patched as well. Everything is still in distress, but we're getting there. Prep is like the process that takes the longest, so it's taking long. Still have a lot to do, but I think we're making good time. So this is the beginning stages of Art getting ready to drywall the shower. He's trying to put up these pieces of wood and cardboard to cover the walls of the shower so he can drill the drywall into these wood blocks to hold up the drywall. So this is like an overgrown tree that's covering the house that I wanted to have removed. But the tree is no longer here. So now it's not covering the front of the property. All those trees and bushes are gone. So now I'm gonna have to get like a railing put up here so people don't fall off the stairs. But it just looks so much better. And now, you know, over time I can have grass planted